Hey guys, welcome to Investify, where we help you grow your wealth through smart investments. Today we'll talk about something that is close to my heart. What is the most effective way to invest when you are in your 20s? When it comes to investing, the sooner you begin investing, the greater the benefit. Compounding operates in a manner that causes your money to grow exponentially on itself. Hence, someone who begins investing just a few years earlier may end up with significantly more money when it's time to retire than if they had started later in life. If you're in your 20s and looking to start investing, here are some tips to give you a head start. Firstly, it's important to educate yourself on investing. This may seem obvious, but there are several options to consider. And as someone with 35 years of experience, let me offer you some advice on what to look for. There is a lineage of investors that began with Ben Graham and was passed down to Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, and then to me, and now to thousands of students. They have thought a highly effective investing strategy that has created millionaires and billionaires. This strategy can be applied to starting a business, buying a franchise, or investing in real estate. Learning this strategy early on in life is crucial for maximizing your returns through compounding. Once you have learned about investing, it's important to gain control over your finances. The first step is to pay off any student debt you may have accumulated. Unfortunately, the rising costs of college tuition have resulted in a common burden for people in their 20s. Eliminating this debt should be your top priority, as it can hold you back from achieving financial freedom in the long term. Additionally, building an emergency fund is another important step towards financial security. The next step you should take is to open a retirement account. Your company's 401k plan, where they match your funds, is an acceptable option. However, if you are required to invest in mutual funds, I would advise against it. Instead, consider investing in a Roth IRA or a traditional RIA, where you can manage your own funds. With a Roth IRA, you pay taxes on the money before it is deposited into the account, but you never pay taxes on the growth of that money. This makes Roth IRAs a fantastic option for individuals in their 20s. Traditional IRAs require you to pay taxes on your contributions first, which can be challenging when you are in a low tax bracket. The final step is to acquire knowledge on how to invest. You can start by following the footsteps of successful investors such as Ben Graham, Warren Buffett, and Charlie Munger. It's recommended to begin investing early on, as this will give you more time to reap the benefits of compounding. This investment strategy is considered the best in the world and has enabled countless individuals to achieve financial success, including millionaires and billionaires. Whether you're planning to launch your own business, purchase a franchise, or invest in real estate, this strategy can assist you in achieving maximum returns on your investments. Remember, investing early is key to having sufficient time to let your money grow through compounding. Now, before we continue, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell for more updates here on Investify. Individuals in higher tax brackets in their 50s may want to use a traditional IRA because they could be paying 35% or 40% in taxes. However, if you are paying 20% in taxes, you may want to consider putting your money in an IRA to let it grow tax-free. Creating a budget and setting savings goals are essential steps to managing your finances. Unfortunately, I am not the best person to teach you about budgeting, as I have the worst budgeting skills and struggle with setting savings goals. However, when I first started, I didn't have a budget, but I had the discipline to live on very little money. Creating a budget can help you limit your spending, and sticking to it can help you become more disciplined about investing. Here's my suggestion from Pay Yourself First. Designate a certain percentage of every paycheck to come out right off the top. In other words, pay yourself first. I know you've heard this before, but it's especially important to do it in your 20s. The money you save and invest in your 20s can turn into millions of dollars later on. If you don't think that's important, let me cue you up with a quote from Warren Buffett. Buffett understands the power of compounding and the significance of investing even small amounts of money today. What that means 30 or 40 years from now is millions of dollars. Setting a budget is crucial in getting your money into an investment account before you spend it. Consider this example. $1,000 doubled 20 times equal over $1 billion. Now imagine if instead of investing that $1,000, you spent it on a refrigerator that would only last 30 to 40 years. In the long run, that refrigerator could end up costing you almost $1 billion in lost investment potential. This example demonstrates the power of compounding when it comes to building wealth. While it may not be feasible to double your money 20 times, even doubling it 10 times could bring you to $1 million. To begin building wealth, it's essential to set clear and specific investment goals. Along with creating a budget that prioritizes paying yourself first, you should determine the amount of money you want to have invested by a particular age and calculate how much you need to invest regularly to reach that target. Having a savings goal can serve as a driving force to keep you focused and motivated. As an illustration, imagine you currently have $1,000 and aim to double your money 20 times during your lifetime. If you double your money 20 times, you'll have a whopping $1 billion. On the other hand, if you were to spend that $1,000 on a refrigerator, that purchase would cost you nearly $1 billion in potential investment returns over time. This example underscores the power of compounding and highlights why starting to invest early can make a significant difference in building your wealth. Have you established your own investment goals? Let us know in the comment section below, and I'll follow up with you. If you found this video useful as well, share it with your friends. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell for more updates here on Investify.